When you step into the day, let yesterday go. God did. Why are we not doing that? Yesterday was yesterday. With God, you are not defined by what you have done in the past. God doesn't care about all of that. He looks at you for what you are going to do, what you are capable of. The stuff you did, let it go. I'm saying that a lot, but somebody needs to hear that. Let it go. You don't need that stuff. The world will remind you every day of what you did yesterday. I remember what you were like back in the day, bro. You know, you were the one. But you know what? That was yesterday. That was yesterday. God created something brand new in you when you woke up the next morning. When you gave your life to him, all of that stuff you did the day before was gone. Doesn't matter what you did yesterday. God's got a purpose and a plan for you. You are no longer bound by your past mistakes. God doesn't hold you accountable for them, so you shouldn't either. Your deliverance is available today if you want it.